एंड मेरा नंबर लीक हुआ था on a prostitution site with my morphed pictures. And पहले तो वो morphing बहुत bad morphing था. You knew it was not me. Naked pictures with my face on it. Videos and pictures on a prostitution site with my price also written on it. How are you going to talk to your mother? You're never going to get to call her ever. You're never going to get a call. How are you going to talk to her ever? You're never going to speak to her. It was constantly ringing where it was hanging. Like if I was cutting a call, there were 3 more calls on WhatsApp. There were like 27 missed calls in a minute.
So you changed the number or is it still?
No, I decided कि मैं नहीं change करूँगी because I thought कि अगर मैं change करूँ तो I'm setting an example that आप मुझे डरा सकते हो for something that I have not done anything wrong.
जो है सुशांत के घर में रहती हैं. She has purchased the house. So any statement that you wanna add up to that? You know, how are you feeling about it?
Whatever you do in life, just remember always do the right thing even when no one is looking because भगवान का CCTV कैमरा हमेशा ऑन रहता है और वो हर एंगल से आपको कैप्चर कर रहा है.
कि जब तलक मैं जीऊँ तेरा इंतजार करूँ तुझे मैं प्यार करूँ और इतना प्यार करूँ.
You are imagining somebody.
Always, I only imagine someone and sing.
अनुपम जी is really fun by the way. Have you seen that reel वो जो कंघी बेचने वाला आता है? Then it's like I can't have this. No, it makes no sense.
Oh,
सच में he has said that it's a reel. Tell me 1920. You know a lot of talks are happening. She's a very good chudal also by the way.
You should be like, oh, Chunapati. I think Chunapati is really cool. Look at the name, like it's Chunapati. Why should it be like it's Chunapati?
ये क्या कर रहा है कल्लू? चौंक गया? अपने बचपन का नाम सुन के चौंक गया? मैं तेरा क्या तेरे पूरे खानदान का नाम जानता हूँ.
गोरे साहब की बीवी के साथ बिस्तर में पकड़ी गई. तू भी उसी का कौन है? तू पकड़ा नहीं गया तो क्या हुआ? बिस्तर में लिटा के उसे यहाँ लेकर आया था और फिर यही बिस्तर पे तूने उसके साथ पूरे 3 बार.
ये साउथ
Watching
इंडिया का
this.
क्या प्रेसिडेंट है? आप साउथ का he knows every language we are talking about.
Sunflower was very different from what I am. I'm not an overtly sensual person who can like nachao men on my fingertips in real life.
In the campus beat, Ada Sharma hai welcoming Ada Sharma in the campus beat of Filmy.
Hello.
This is your mic. Go ahead,
What's
Ada.
up?
How are you? This
Good,
is
how are you?
I'm good.
I need 2 mics.
Yeah, one for the cameras, one for the audience.
Okay.
And you're looking beautiful.
Thank you. So are you.
I'm loving the chappals also, bro.
Thank you.
है ना?
If you're being sarcastic.
No, it's very natural.
Why do we need 2 mics?
One for the cameras, one for the audience.
Okay.
No. That way. Anyway, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
We're doing it twice, है ना? इसकी
Yes.
दूसरी बार हम कर रहे हैं and
जी.
Ada has been grateful always. Whenever I change my company, she's the first one to do such shows. जो
Yeah,
मैं
we did
हमेशा
such a
करता
fun
हूँ.
one last time.
Oh.
This will also be fun.
That's so true. That's so true. That's so true. Firstly, Ada, I can't tell you how excited we all have been. आपकी जो recent film है, वो भी कमाल है अनुपम जी के साथ.
Thank you.
Tell me first, how was the feel with Anupam?
There was no feel. We had no scenes together.
But ठीक है ना, you were in the same field, no? Your feel was always on the reel, no? The feel वाली reel.
My feel was on what?
Reel. You
What
have a lot
reel?
of reels with Anupam.
No, one we did that day at the theater.
And the
at
pictures.
Yeah, at the airport. जहाँ पे we were waiting for our flight to take off, and he was like, "You need to learn marketing, and you know, you need to. You can't just acting is not." All you need to learn other things also so that other people know stuff that you can act in. Also, he said, let's make a, and I think that's so cool. And you know, we always say age is just a number and stuff, but he's like a living example of it. He's definitely like way younger than me. I'm in my mid 50s. I feel not physically. Physically, I think I'm a 12-year-old boy, but otherwise, like mentally, I'm like, हाँ वो you know, you'll act हो जाएगा. But he's like, no, you have to do something about it. अच्छी performance दी है तो सबको you know बताओ.
But Anupam ji is really fun by the way. Have you seen that reel वो जो कंघी बेचने वाला आता है? Then it's like I can't have this. No, it makes no sense.
Oh,
सच में he has said that it's a reel. देखो जरा मुझे
आजकल लोग शायद कुछ रील्स मूवी से ज्यादा देख रहे हैं. I think
That's a big statement though.
That's a sad thing also, but yeah, I guess I don't know.
So we'll switch the souls. We'll exchange the mics, है ना?
Okay.
For the branding, come on. That was
So now I have to
plugging.
talk like Adi, and Adi can be Ada. I have to get my.
Soul exchanged.
You said we are exchanging souls. This is like that movie. Have you all seen Freaky
Talk like
Friday?
me. Let me see how can you talk like me.
Let me see how can you talk like me. I just have to get my
Come on, very well.
on. Yeah, Ada. So tell me.
I have never done like this. I'm telling you. I have never done this. Have I? I guess I have.
Yeah, little bit. When you mimic anyway, when you mimic somebody, तो थोड़ा caricature add करना पड़ेगा. इतना आप natural होगे तो you have to add any caricature. Like if my habit is doing like this, you'll have to in a mimicry you'll have to exaggerate it more. But mimicry is flattery. I mean, I have watched that person so many times to be able to mimic them.
Who else you can mimic?
Every single person in this room. I do this at all times. You know, set पे मैं बैठती हूँ and I'm only watching people and I'm seeing how people are. My team tells me कि sunglasses पहन के देखो because you're so creepy. Sometimes आप stare कर रहे हो किसी को and I'm not checking the person out. I'm looking like how is this guy smiling? See ना हाँ. And I'm sitting there and मेरा मुंह खुला पड़ा है because I'm like ध्यान से and my team tells me please don't do this. Either if you are going to openly letch at people तो आप sunglasses पहनो तो sometimes on set you will catch oh no I've given out my secret is out. But yeah I do this sometimes because I want to check out people and I want to check out people I want to see कि
True.
I want to add in my characters later on मैं add करूँगी ना. So
Let's go back to the day or a night when you became like superstar the next morning. Kerala story we all know. शायद उस समय न्यूज़ चैनल्स के पास इसका समय नहीं था कि देश में कितने अपराध हो रहे हैं. Like they now also don't have. You know आज क्या कुछ चल रहा है. So tell me how was the experience? Were you happy or were you like इतना पीछे पड़ गए हैं लोग?
नहीं मेरे पीछे नहीं थे ना फिल्म के पीछे थे but
You were happy about that?
no I was happy that people are going to watch the film
Yeah.
but when they were पीछे पड़ोing before it was like अरे wait ना like watch the film and मेरा नंबर लीक हुआ था on a prostitution site with my morphed pictures and पहले तो वो morphing बहुत bad morphing था you knew it was not me उसके बाद amazing AI करके morph किया था वो actually naked pictures with my face on it videos and pictures on prostitution site with my price also written on it and my number was leaked and कब leak हुआ था like if a film releases on Friday Thursday को leak हुआ था तो मुझे अपना phone बंद करना पड़ा and I took my mom's phone और उसमें मैंने Instagram और Twitter install किया and I was checking because I wanted to see ना लोग अच्छी चीज़ें भी बोल रहे थे movie देखने के बाद तो मुझे compliments भी देखना but how to keep my phone on. It was constantly ringing where it was hanging. Like if I was cutting a call, there were 3 more calls on WhatsApp. There were like 27 missed calls in a minute.
So you've changed the number or is it the same?
No, I decided कि मैं नहीं change करूँगी. I don't know if this is such a good idea to say this, but because I thought कि अगर मैं change करूँ तो I'm setting an example that आप मुझे डरा सकते हो for something that I have not done anything wrong. And what example am I setting to other girls then? They'll all be scared and feel like if हम लोग सच बोलेंगे तो नंबर चेंज करना पड़ेगा या किसी से डरना पड़ेगा and here I'm taking a stand of I'm doing a movie I'm going to tell the truth and stick by what I've said so I don't want other girls to feel that she got scared so we'll not I want them to feel that she's roaming around fine she's absolutely fine so we'll be fine we should tell the truth so
and I guess at the same time you are somebody I know she is like I text her like रात को 1 बजे भी कि we are planning this ये वो she'll reply she always have been doing that no matter if she's at the airport है ना जो अदा के साथ रहते they must be better तो जो एक्टर होते हैं दूसरी पर जाते कि oh we are so busy and we are shooting what is that
I am busy in shooting I love shooting and I love being busy at shoot but for me also I feel it's a very attractive quality when I look up to someone who's a busy person maybe a busy like I know people who are doctors also but I think it's such a cool quality when they can put forth a side of themselves where I don't like that thing of they're all busy who is not busy
yes
who is not you guys have also taken out time सब लोग busy है वेले तो नहीं है And Vele bhi hai to you're fine. No, you have to find something and you have
Only
something
politicians
to do.
are Velas nowadays, I feel.
They also
But
have, everyone has stuff to do. Even to get your politics out in the news, good or bad or wrong or right, you have work to do. You have to get somebody else to do that. You have to bachao your, I don't know if you're on target to be killed or you have to go kill someone. That is also calm, yeah.
Yeah.
You're not Vela. I don't know what
the glorification you've done of this, no?
Not
काम है वो भी.
किसी का भी, आई एम सेइंग सब कोई वेला नहीं है.
हाँ.
आप टेररिस्ट भी हो तो वेले नहीं हो. एवरीवन हैज गॉट वर्क टू डू. आई एम सेइंग बैड और गुड, व्हाटएवर. Everyone has work to do. And I just don't like the people who behave that exactly what you said, that I'm so busy and then you can't be happy. I want to be happy. I want to talk to everyone and that calculated thing of now I shouldn't, I pretend to be busy. When I'm actually busy, I switch off my phone. When I'm on set, I don't keep it on.
But she really has a lot of time. Like you see, she manages that. I would put it that way. She talks to कौवास, भैंसे, और नदियाँ, you know, all of that. So I love that. If you've seen her Instagram, it's full of that. So I'm like, यार really, मैं यहाँ पे 2 interview करके, I'm like, oh, I don't have time only. My mother has been calling me. Mornings I'm like, I'll call you बाद में.
So mean, why call your mom?
No, I will. Not on the camera cover.
That might make it more interesting.
You're not supposed to put me on spot. You are supposed to be get on
I'm
spot.
on the spot.
Tell me 1920, you know, a lot of talks are happening. She's a very good chudal also, by the way.
Thanks. I love how you've sold me as this very nice person and then in your next breath you're like, she's a chudel.
Good chudal, no? She's good chudal to be. Yeah.
I'm a nice chudel.
A
I'm
lot
a
of-
bad one. On screen also I can be bad, huh? Not just good. On screen we want to be a bad chudel also. Otherwise what's the fun? All kinds of chudels. Contact.
But what is the iconic scene of 1920? You want to recreate that? I won't mind that.
There are so many. I'll have to get that cat
The
to
doctor
kill.
one.
No. TikTok तो नहीं होने वाला है यहाँ पे. पहले बात तो पिलर नहीं है. But there's that doctor वाला
Yeah.
scene from 1920. You remember that doctor scene?
I recently rewatched.
So you rewatched it. Okay. What is your favorite scene from it?
I don't like to see this, but the cat one.
The cat one. But yeah, recreating that would be difficult. We'd need a stuffed cat and we'd have to fill it with food and that's not going to be fun. So we'll take a clean scene like the
Doctor one.
The doctor one is a clean scene. I should remember I pretty much remember all my lines from all my movies. I remember everyone's lines from all. But okay, let's try it now. I hope I remember.
ये क्या कर रहा है कल्लू? चौंक गया? अपने बचपन का नाम सुन के चौंक गया? मैं तेरा क्या तेरे पूरे खानदान का नाम जानता हूँ.
More.
तेरा बाप बड़ी बगिया में माली का काम करता था. तेरी माँ कौशल्या तोडरमल की हवेली में झाड़ू लगाती थी. तेरा बाबा हरकिशन दास जो घोड़े का गोबर साफ करते थे. और एक दिन घोड़े साहब की बीवी के साथ बिस्तर में पकड़ी गई. तू भी उसी का खून है. तू पकड़ा नहीं गया तो क्या हुआ? बिस्तर में लिटा के उसे यहाँ लेकर आया था और फिर यही बिस्तर पे तूने उसके साथ पूरे 3 बार.
Now imagine that with the makeup.
हाँ.
Yeah, I killed it, right? Looking like this. I should have, you talk a No. But anyway, fun.
But there are talks that, Mr. Vikram Bhatt did offer you the 1920 ka sequel. So what is your update on that? Do you want to do it or what is it?
Do you want me to do another horror?
Of course.
So we should do a horror. I just feel, see, if I do 1920 or any other horror, you would want to see me as a chudel or...
We
If
would
I'm-
love that.
If I'm normal in a horror movie, you guys are going to kill me, right?
Yeah.
Then you all will give me galis. I know, so I just feel if I'm doing a horror thing, I should be really scary. If I'm scared and not scary, would you watch it? No, na? No, na? Say that loud and clear. You won't, na? What do you want me to be doing? You should be scared. I also agree with this because otherwise I think I'm going to get a lot of galis if I'm only scared. And if somebody else is possessed around me and I'm not, you guys are going to be like, ye kyun nahi hui? I should be the demon, yeah. So that's the plan. If any horror movie, 1920 or other, there is something with horror, but yeah, I should be scary. I agree. If it's horror, nahi to I should not do because I'll just be killing this, and then you guys will be angry with me.
With the bad reviews.
Yeah, not bad reviews. I don't want to disappoint people who give me so much love. We're talking about a movie that's 105 years old. now also, after doing Kerala Story and Sunflower and Commando, if you still remember that one, that had some magic in it. I don't want to kill that magic by.
But I say, in real life, have you encountered any bhoot chudail ever? Like, you know, the presence. नहीं सच्ची में, you know?
You know, listen, we all think कि ये सब movies देख के 1920 सब we feel कि भूत कब आता है, रात को आता है.
That's bullshit.
हाँ, आ सकता है, नहीं है हमारे आसपास. नहीं, क्या spirits क्या है ही. It's just that we can't see, just because we can't see them because उनकी bodies नहीं है. आप सबके अंदर भी तो spirit ही तो है, तो मरने के बाद तो वो spirit ही रहता है, जिसकी bodies नहीं है. So there's one sitting next to you, there's a guy standing behind you, you just can't see. So there's a very good looking guy standing next to you, you don't know. He's laughing and so they are in this room present. We just see the bodies over here of how many 30 people who are here, and we say that, you know, but there are spirits everywhere, good and bad ones, not only bad, good ones also.
But have you encountered questions?
Encountering now as we
I don't believe, you know, ऐसा कभी
Like
खौफ
that.
लगा हो types.
क्या खौफ लगा? नहीं, मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ और जो भी भूत मुझे मिलते हैं वो बड़े मस्त भूत मिले हैं अभी तक के.
Didn't you ask, let's make a reel?
Reel? No, I didn't.
After Kawa has got like, you know, you
I'll ask next time specially for you. The joy of reels I feel is it should not be planned. And those edit wale sometimes I do like once in 3-4 months. That takes so long to edit. The
But
fun
paisa
ones
also,
are-
na? What takes so time?
Paisa, what paisa? Who's
Brand reels also.
Brand reels are different.
nah.
I'm not talking about those. I was talking about my personal. Brand reel mein you get a script and all and you pretty much do what you're told. Sometimes I suggest stuff and they're like, no. I mean, you want Ada Sharma, but you don't want Ada Sharma to be Ada Sharma.
Yeah,
You
won't have
want,
to act.
but because you'll say she's quirky, they'll be like very quirky person. But this, no. And don't do this and don't wear this. But you want her. So brand reels, I'm pretty obedient. If you see, they are very palatable.
You remember the interrogation scene of Kerala Story? I guess it was 37 pages on the very first day of the
Yeah.
set. यहाँ
I
पे
never
लोगों को
forget that.
I love you याद नहीं होता बोलना और आपने 37
कौन I love you नहीं याद?
बहुत लोग मुझे तो आज तक किसी ने नहीं बोला I guess आपको भी नहीं
अच्छा,
बोला
real
वैसे.
life.
I'll come on that as well.
Oh my God, you have
my
to
topic is
ask
love.
me for his favorite topic is to ask me this. No, get back to I like the other
37
questions.
pages of
37
interrogation.
pages. Yeah. Does anyone over here want to be an actor?
I'm already, but
You're even I'm struggling. We are all struggling. Not from the industry. This process will continue till always, but we'll enjoy the whole process of it. That's the only way. Nahi to na you'll think ki when I get Kerala Story, I'll be happy. I mean, or whatever movie this thing is. Then you'll say when that movie, you know, I get enough lines in it. Then you'll say that movie has to release, then I'll be happy. Then it has to become a hit, then I'll be happy.
satisfaction never ends.
It will never end. Then you say I have to sign 2 other movies, then I'll be happy. Then those have to release. So I think just be happy now. But if you're an actor, just know your lines, yeah. That's one request to everybody. Just learn your dialogues. It just makes everybody's life easy, yours and everybody else's. Learn it so well that if I wake you, रात को मैं नींद से भी उठाऊं and ऐसे बोल दो, you should be able to say it. I think that is. But yeah, 37 pages was a bit much. Also in the Malayalam accent. So with the Malayali accent to remember 37 pages. Yeah, and it is, and with that,
Kannada, Tulu,
I agree. Telugu is easiest. After that, Kannada, Tamil, then Malayalam. Tulu, I don't know yet.
How
but
do
it's like
how do you differentiate the language? Tamil and Telugu. Please tell me this.
It is like
this new
if
song
I
which
tell
has
you-
come in of Arijit.
in Tamil.
That is the issue. I am not able
Oh.
to understand if it is in Tamil or Telugu language.
So it's like saying Marathi and Hindi ka difference. For us, not it. It's like saying if I tell you Punjabi or Marathi, तो एक ही तो है.
कुछ भी.
Exactly. So Malayalam and Tamil एक ही तो है. नहीं, कुछ भी like that.
हाँ.
I think Malayalam is it's heavier on the tongue, like your l's and all are there. Tamil is softer. Telugu is more colloquial. Telugu is the easiest. You can pick it up like really fast. Kannada I have not learnt yet, but I've and Tulu I've not tried yet.
It's a very different.
It's difficult,
Not difficult, but Kannada.
but they are all different. And for any North Indians
ये साउथ
watching
इंडिया का
this,
क्या प्रेसिडेंट है आप साउथ वाला का. He knows every language we are talking
he
about.
knows very good.
अरे वाह.
Acha Shetty, then Kannada.
Bangalore, huh?
Tullu. Fun. Yeah, so 37 pages. And of course I was nervous, but I had to look very nervous in that scene also. It's that interrogation scene. तो जैसे आप लोग ने पूरी मूवी देखी, it keeps cutting from the interrogation scene to college वाला scene to Ladakh, which is Syria, अफगानिस्तान. तो वो interrogation का जो भी मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, हम लोग ने वो 37 pages साथ में we shot the whole thing. And बहुत सारा कटा हुआ है. Our film was a 3-hour 45-minute film that you guys saw 2 hours. तो वो पूरी स्टोरी ना मैं नरेट कर रही हूँ एंड दे चोज पार्ट्स एंड कट एंड केप्ट वो एडिट में, बट स्क्रिप्ट में बहुत सारा था. सो लाइक आई एम सॉर्ट ऑफ क्राइंग एंड नर्वसली सेइंग, एंड वो आदमी वहाँ से वो इंग्लिश में ही टॉकिंग. इट वाज क्वाइट नाइस. इट रियली फेल्ट वेरी रियल. द प्रेशर ऑफ इट ऑल, प्रेशर ऑफ डूइंग दिस, बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ दिस, बीइंग एबल टू टेल इनकी स्टोरीज. एंड yeah, I'll never forget that first day of 37 pages.
But at the same time, a lot of actors now use glycerines, and you made us believe कि it is easy. अभी तो लोगों का breakup भी हो जाए, if they are in long distance, they put glycerine and they send the video.
You can tell when it's fake. Someone sent you glycerine videos?
No, gladly no one, but it's happening. तो यूथ के लिए तो बहुत बुरी बात है, लेकिन आप तो नहीं करते यूज़, और डू यू ऑल्सो यूज़ दैट? आपके असली होते हैं आंसू के नकली?
नहीं, आई गॉट सीन्स जहाँ पे यूज नहीं कर सकते. ऑल्सो बिकॉज ग्लिसरीन क्या करता है ना, आपके आंखों को लाल कर देता है ऑलरेडी. तो नाउ लाइक एलास्टोरिन ऑल, इवन सनफ्लावर, आई हैव अ सीन जहाँ मैं नॉर्मल हूँ पहले एंड देन मैं वो टॉयलेट को देख के मैं रो लेती हूँ. तो उसमें इफ यू ऑलरेडी हैव ग्लिसरीन इन योर आइज तो पता चलेगा कि ग्लिसरीन डाला है. ग्लिसरीन यू कैन यूज व्हेन सपोज देयर इज अ सीन जहाँ पे इट शोज कि आप पूरी रात रोए हो और वो मिड सीन किसी ने पकड़ा, बट आई डोंट नो, इट रियली इरिटेट्स द, आई डोंट, या. सो आई हैव गॉट डायरेक्टर्स हु आर नाइस इनफ टू लेट मी फील एंड गेट द इमोशन. तो आई थिंक वो वर्क होता है. And now practice, okay, it's a muscle, the tear gland also, and I just believe if you feel it, you can do any emotion. You just have to believe at that time कि आप वो ही इंसान हो और आपके साथ वो जो हो रहा है आप पे बीत रही हो, तो tears तो आ ही जाएंगे. मैं सोच के ही मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है. Like if you just think you're in Syria now, what are you going to do? How are you going to talk to your mother? You're never going to get to call her ever. You're never going to get a call. How are you going to talk to her ever? You're never going to speak to her on a call ever. How is she going to talk to you? You're never going to see your child ever again, and they're taking her away. So you can cry like that. Or you can cry with more.
Live.
That was just for you. But I just feel you should tissue people. So I feel if you like really believe it and do it, then any emotion you can. Thank you. Then you can
आपके
feel.
इश्यूज के लिए टिश्यूज लेकर आए हम.
I can use this in real life. No, though मेरे आंसू निकलते नहीं हैं.
हाँ.
When I have to like actually use it for, I mean I don't then. Yeah, like I don't know.
You act at places or what?
In real life I don't use it. I'm saying all this knowledge I can give when it's for on screen. I have all these hacks and all these things, but in real life when it comes to it and I'm actually in some problem, it never actually, I don't know. I just go blank and I don't know what to do.
You don't cry.
I don't cry in real life at all. At all, you know. Even if I'm like really stressed, thank you. Even if I'm really stressed, I cry when I'm frustrated. I think that's when my tears really come.
And when are you frustrated?
Lots of reasons for frustration. I can
Like?
I don't know. I see some dog being raped video and all like that, and I feel like really frustrated. I feel like I couldn't do anything about it. What to do and these perverts, or I don't know. Sometimes I'm very hungry and somebody's put onion in my food, and I feel like
Actually, don't eat onion.
I don't eat onion, and then I feel really sad. And then if it's in a hotel and I say कि क्यों डाला, and then they say नहीं taste नहीं आएगा उसके बगैर, and then I know I have to reorder and वापस 20 minutes लगेगा, and then we have to leave and.
The Punjabi in me, you just kill right away.
I kill a lot of, yeah, I have.
I'm like, hi.
I know, प्याज लहसुन.
I can't start my day without it.
You
Anyway,
start your day with the kanda.
yeah. Not like that.
Like an apple, he bites
Have you
it.
ever had प्याज के पराठे? It's so yum. Come on.
Not
And
a
लहसुन
fan.
की चटनी.
Not a
I'm
fan.
Haryanvi Punjabi.
Not a
ठेचा
fan.
and all, huh?
Not a fan.
ठेचा you like? No,
What is
no, उसमें भी
ठेचा?
लहसुन होता है.
Thecha is what?
ठेचा is some Marathi chutney. Yeah.
Oh my god, my worst nightmare. Oh goodness, no. No.
But I guess I'll tell you, like after even doing 2 interviews with Dada, I never knew that she's in Hasi To Fasi. I'm really sorry. I never knew only. I don't know. I watched the film also. I couldn't recognize you.
Because of the eyebrows. Ne?
हाँ कुछ तो भी है ना? So
Eyebrows
you
can
knew
really change
that.
the face.
हाँ, very bad.
I look the same, no, with just thinner with no eyebrows. But it's pretty. No, I look so different.
Actually, I rewatched that too again, and then I would recognize it.
हाँ मतलब कि I spotted you in a song. The
Shake It Like
major-
Shammi.
Yeah, yeah. I'm like, hi. This is girl I've
Just
seen
the
somewhere.
eyebrows were,
Yeah. फिर मुझे realize हुआ कि oh.
Just the I think eyebrows can really change a face, no, maybe.
I
thought
don't
that
have any. Mine are all fake.
You've drawn it.
Of course, daily. I was earlier Ganja from here. Ganja hero.
So you would have, so Hasi To Fasi, I had auditioned and I was in that audition ka trial process for 3 months because my eyebrows were like this. So they liked my acting. No, this is like serious. हाँ मैं joke नहीं कर रही हूँ. Like 3 महीने के लिए मैं रुकी थी because they were looking for other options because they thought I didn't look Gujarati enough for the role. So we did a lot of eyebrow look tests. Yeah, I think I did some 20 look tests there because there's so much you can do with my eyebrows. यहाँ से short करके, यहाँ से short किया था, यहाँ से किया था. If you notice in the movie now, it's one line. So
Yeah.
you would have good. You didn't audition for it, otherwise you would have gotten it over me.
Siddharth Malhotra, I won't mind answering that.
So then,
Shake it like Shammi.
that orange sari, I can totally imagine you in it.
Jeez. Whatever.
Everyone got a visual of it. Now every time you watch the song, you think about.
Very bad. ठीक है. So this is the because people call me Sasta Karan Johar.
What?
Yeah, people do that. Even somebody recently commented I look like what was that character of Kapil Sharma who had a lot of Mashhoor Gulati.
Which is Sunil Grover.
Yeah, we can do it. So people have started calling me all of them. I'm like, okay, I'll take that. So
Yeah,
I'll go
I
ahead
think
with,
everything is a compliment. It's good comparing you to famous people.
so I'll go ahead with the rapid fire round with Ada Sharma.
This one should be worried for, huh?
You're not supposed to. You've done it before with me.
Okay.
The better director, Sanjay Leela Bhansali or Karan Johar?
I have not worked with either of
So
them.
you can have your choices, no.
No, how can I? हाँ, but non-seeable future को कैसे मैं assume
You've
करती
seen
हूँ? You
the
ask
work.
me, is she a better person or is she a better person? अभी जानती नहीं हूँ मैं दोनों को.
But you've seen the work.
No, I need to work with a person to be able to tell. I can't tell like that. How can I tell? Now you'll say you can see both of them, but I don't know who's the better person, who's the better cook from both of these. If you say, अभी मुझे नहीं पता. She'll say I am.
ऐसे tell me who is the good director. चल ठीक है बहन.
What? Who's a good director? All the people I've worked with have been nice.
Very nice. An overrated film according to you?
A what film?
Overrated.
Overrated. I don't think anything's overrated. Even the ones you think. I too enjoy watching everything. I learn so much. Sometimes it's a very good ego check for me also. They say na how you stay grounded and this thing. I watch the latest release of someone's movie. I watch it and then I think, oh my god, ye acting karke and they have 10 more movies. And then I feel like really grounded. So you might call it overrated. For me, it's not. Yeah, it keeps a reality check on me. I'll never get. And people say, oh, don't you feel that? No, I don't feel anything. I feel like, oh no. Like, wow, this is life, such is life, wow. And I'm very grounded, and then I pick up the phone on people and I talk nicely to everybody. So those movies are very important for me, nothing's overrated.
You would have played better Parineeti Chopra's character in Hasi To Fasi, true or false?
False. What's better का definition, I don't know.
नहीं ठीक है, false से भी चल जाएगा काम. Bollywood is not yet ready for female-oriented films, true or false?
Kerala Story.
That was not too Bollywood, no. The major
What was
Bollywood.
It made 350 crores.
That is what I know.
Whether you want it or not, it's Bollywood. Too bad. I mean, Bollywood can say it's not, but it is. So people can deny the existence of it. But
Yeah.
I mean, you can't change history. What do you do?
True that. Dating co-actor or outside of the industry?
Did I what?
Dating a co-actor. How sharp she's playing. Dating a co-actor.
Like, am I dating a co-actor right
No,
now?
you have to choose one. Either you date a co-actor or outside of the industry.
Anyone will do. I mean, yeah. Why should I? I don't know. Anyone will. Nice person. If I'm choosing maybe out. I don't know.
Out.
Anyone.
ठीक है. You said out.
I'm thinking, yeah, but
But you said outside
in
the
also
industry.
will do if it's a nice person.
ठीक है. Your best performances किस में थी? Kerala Story, Rita Sanyal, Bastar और Sunflower.
Sunflower, Bastar,
Rita Sanyal.
Kerala Story. Rita Sanyal, I know there were 8 characters and it's your favorite. I know you wanted me to say that's one. But I'll tell you why I'm doing the order. Because Sunflower was very different from what I am. I'm not an overtly sensual person who can like nachao men on my fingertips in real life. So to be believable to do that, I had to do a lot of mehnat. Bastar was very difficult also because
Yeah.
in real life I'm a very non-confrontational
You were very
wishy-washy.
hacker in Buster.
I was like, yeah, like
If you've seen Buster, guys.
I will, fight for the nation. And I feel that in my real life, in my heart, I feel that. But am I a person who's leading the nation for war? I look up to that character and I want to be like her, but I'm not. Then Kerala Story, because I took a toll, it was tough. And Rita Sanyal was tough, but I don't know all of them. But I feel this is the right order.
Chiki, your choices of songs to act in item numbers or romantic songs? You've not done major items.
I'm not done item yet, unless we can't say. Arey, haan, no one know. So there's this Telugu song, you guys should Google it when you're out of here. It's called Ram Sakkanodi Vera Pilaga. You will love it, you should see it, please. It has me, that's considered as item. You've seen? That's considered item, not really. If I'm the heroine of the movie and I do, it's item. Okay, item then, okay. But
No,
see
that
that
thing
song,
in,
there's a lot of pelvic thrusts and there's a lot of chest heaving.
In Daku Maharaj, Urvashi just had this song, but she claimed it's my film.
Listen, I have to say, I'm a very big fan of her. Okay, no, I have to.
Even I love
stop. I have to. Yeah, but listen, her confidence level is amazing. People are saying whatever they want. She doesn't care. That's so amazing. And if she doesn't talk about herself, who will talk about her? If you don't talk about yourself, no one will talk about you. Also, if people are asking random
Yes.
questions, she's deflecting. She wants to say she's got diamond necklace and it's a watch from my this thing. Let her say na, uska hi hai. Her dad has given her mom has given her. I think it's very good. Please continue.
She was good until
And,
she mentioned when the journalist asked about the Saif Ali Khan case, and then she added the film promotion. That was not needed. Otherwise, she's a good person.
Since
to
I'm
be.
standing up for her, I feel like you all are asking about somebody else. Even to me, somebody asked about somebody else का somebody else. उसका उसके साथ affair है और उसने उसको ये बोला था वो podcast पे. What do you think? Now I don't know this person and that person, but I'll be like, हाँ उसने तो शायद the headline will be अदा शर्मा ने कहा था कि इसको नहीं बोलना चाहिए था ऐसे और ऐसे actually. It sounds like मैं सुबह उठ के I have decided to comment on this. So very good. Then talk about your diamond necklace and bracelet. I think we should all learn from that. And I think she's phenomenal. And she's the youngest, most beautiful IHN best actress in the whole country. I love her.
The way you should
She's
IHN.
IHN and most beautiful and most woman thing. No, we should support other women. I totally support her. I think she's amazing. I really hope a lot of success for her, and I love her confidence, and I feel like we can all learn from it. I'm very passionate about her. It's not, she knows. I tell my guys on Seven when someone's like talking about, I'm like, she's amazing. Look at her confidence. Look at her shine. That's so cool. Imagine if we all were so confident and we loved ourselves so much. I don't, and I would like to. And we should learn.
Yes, Ada. So I tell you, this chashma is of 1.5 rupees, which is exactly the amount that my film will do if a lot of zeros are at it. It's like that, I tell you.
That is wonderful, but I'm still the youngest, most beautiful.
Yes.
And I have 105 crores and I don't care about
I'm the
Gina.
first woman of the earth.
That's also wonderful. I think that is most beautiful and I think it's amazing.
She's gonna kill us after this.
I don't think so. I feel she's amazing. I hope she gets so many movies. I hope she gets so many songs. I hope whatever she wants, she gets all of it. Because I want that to be an example and people should be like, if you speak for yourself, to milta hai. I really hope. I hope she gets everything she wants.
Okay.
I love her.
What an actor says or means when, they're like, जो statements मैं दूंगा, what they exactly means by them. I'm an director's actor. What they actually
listen
mean.
to the. Oh, what do they mean? I don't know. I listen to the.
They're
director.
so out of this.
Like what could they have meant by that? I don't know. Like you're trying to pass the buck on the director like that. If you've done bad acting like that. Maybe like that. But or you can actually be a director's actor. I would like to think I am kind of.
Okay. I have a flight to catch.
I have a flight to catch.
Yeah.
I don't like your company and I want to run away. like that.
Exactly, that's what they mean.
Yeah, my flight takes off and I'll have to leave in the next 40 minutes.
We totally get it. We totally get it. Perhaps आप यहाँ भी आए हैं?
That we've called them all and been like, you come here and then. But now we should see who does the best acting of this thing. Like if I feel that you should do
The
like.
PAP Award.
Yeah, na, they should do a thing of who does the best. Like, is your shock going to be like, आप यहाँ आ गए भी, or your shock is like, oh my god, you're here, or you know, आप. I think they should make a compilation of everybody's shock of the PAP thing, or you can just low key to extreme.
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
I want to
What
make
they
this
say
edit.
is, we are just friends.
We're just
Friends.
friends. Then they're friends. If they are good friends, then it's different. If you're just friends, it's okay. Good friends is the thing. That's what you want to hear. No, I'm giving what you want to hear. See how I'm being so happy now. See, I made your day. है ना?
Whatever. Okay, 3 reasons why you're single.
Who said I'm single?
You every time you come in, it's been 3 years that I've been doing interviews with you. You've
Really?
never been committed.
Not 3 years. No.
2.
2 years. Yeah. Why you added 1?
ऐसा अतिशोक्ति अलंकार ना.
Acha. 2 years. So
बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलते हैं.
I can keep it very private. No one will know anything. I'm a
I'll tell you, I googled her last night. मैं let me see her, love status.
You won't find
I went and इतनी गंदी statement की national television पे I'll tell you honestly कि मैं तो अपनी तरफ से उनके प्यार में हूँ, अब उनका मुझे पता है.
वो था पर
बोलती है और सुनो और घटिया मैं बताता हूँ.
सच में मैं नहीं बोलूं सच तो था. Now if you ask me, suppose मुझे प्यार है अभी किसी से, उसको पता भी नहीं है शायद कि मेरा प्यार है, और अच्छा पता है, अच्छा ओके.
एक और तो she has mentioned, you've said somewhere, मेरा प्यार जो है चंद्रमा के किसी ग्रह के किसी पास पे रहता है.
No, that was a joke.
These
That
are
was,
her
oh my
statements.
god, I said
I'm
that.
like, who is she mingle with?
Yeah, so I need someone who's okay with this behavior, right? We have to find
Oh my
someone.
God.
It's tough to find. We'll find someone. I believe वो प्रकट हो जाएगा ऐसे. मैं ढूंढूं कैसे? I don't think you should look. Then I'm changing the course of what life has planned for me. That person will just come one day like like the paps just appear from nowhere. That person will come and I'll say,
I was looking for you, been years.
I was, and then we will fall in love. That's the plan.
But there was a guy, I'll tell you another story. Oh, come on, you can't lie this to me. So I remember the very first interview in podcast that I did with Ada. So she did tell me that there was a crush that she used to have when she was a kid. वो सीढ़ियों की कोई तो भी घर के नीचे रहता था. Where was that guy? Where is he now?
How should I know?
Are you fake that story also?
No.
She does fake a lot of stories.
I don't fake a lot of stories, but about guy things, if you're going to ask me and I want to keep it private, then I might. No, but I'm always in love. There is no point in my life that I've not been in love.
ये भी statement देखी थी मैंने कल. I'm always in love.
I'm always in love. There's no point that I haven't been. Now the other person say I don't know. Also, I'm okay. I'm very good on screen to be like that, but in real life I get a little self-conscious about telling the person maybe. So then I might just like run away and not be able to express myself. I don't know. Expressing self is very difficult to do. It's also an art. And then I feel like, oh God, now I'll tell or I'll not tell. Yeah. And then should I tell? Now if I tell, I don't know if this person, then after this what? So I overthink the whole thing and then I decide to just not tell and then hopefully the other person tells. And then I find people who don't really want to tell. So then nothing goes anywhere, I think.
But do you agree that Kerala Story was a full spot for political parties to promote themselves rather just considering it as entertainment with the facts?
I think but when you release a film and जहाँ पे एक political party आएगी and who will say कि this is bad, ban it, don't have this film released, you will have another political party who will come in and say, I don't think you are right, the opposing party of this, we should release it. And then it becomes that. Because if you watch the movie, I know I'm asked in interviews, this wing and that wing, that movie was about girls who were being taken to become terrorists. वो movie में there's no political statement said. Political movie is Bastar. Bastar speaks about politics and a lot of things. Kerala Story does not speak about politics or any wing or anything. It doesn't have anything. So, but I guess if you have someone who's opposing anything in life, political or not, one person opposes, you will get someone who will stand up for it. and I guess you can't do anything about that.
केरला स्टोरी का भी सीक्वल की जो चर्चाएं हैं दैट इज देयर, आर यू डूइंग दैट?
You want me to do that?
ऑफ कोर्स.
But then where will that story? Her story was over, no? Shalini's story. Now what will you see?
This
Then that'll become Bastar. If you technically watch it, it will. I feel, yeah, either tell a new. I don't know what the thing is with that.
So as we know, Ada जो है सुशांत के घर में रहती हैं. She has purchased the house, and सुशांत के case पर recently CBI has given the closure statement, and the case is being closed. That is what we can see. So any statement that you wanna add up to that? You know, how are you feeling about it? Of course, Janta and their perspectives are still different to the case.
Yeah, what is your perspective? Though none of our perspectives, I mean, who decides this? So there's no. I don't know. Commenting on it or giving my statement on anything is also, we don't know the whole facts of everything. You don't,
True.
I don't. Hopefully, the people who've taken the decision, have taken a decision on the basis of whatever they have. I don't know about what to comment on that, but my granny always says that whatever. Nothing to do with this, just generally a thing. Whatever you do in life, just remember, always do the right thing even when no one is looking, because भगवान का CCTV कैमरा हमेशा ऑन रहता है और वो हर एंगल से आपको कैप्चर कर रहा है. Always, there's a close-up shot, there's a mid shot, there's a zoom lens, there's a wide shot. It's from various angles, and that footage will always be there. So even when no one is looking, only do the right thing. That's all, I guess. That's all.
Last film that you watched?
I watched Tumko Meri Kasam. We went for the Udaipur premiere.
भूल गई अपनी ही film.
No, I'm seeing if I watched anything after that. What did you? You told me to watch something after that. I didn't watch it yet. You know what I was also watching? Yeah. Sorry, I watched Up after that. You'll have seen the animated movie Up.
I've been busy watching. I told you.
What are you watching?
I told you in call. Okay, what I'm watching.
You didn't tell me what you're watching.
All of that.
Oh yeah. Huh. For work.
Ah.
Okay. How did you like it?
Good only. The recent films were good.
It's not a film. It's a series, right?
It's a series. The other film also. I've watched too many things except. So we are under
You're
pressure.
making a
always.
face
We
and
have to-
saying, you have to watch for work also.
It is pressure, to be honest. You know.
Really, you're not enjoying watching?
यार ऐसा नहीं है ना. We do enjoy. It's like अब एक film जो घटिया है.
पर
a lot
देखनी
of films,
पड़ेगी.
we have to watch it.
जैसे कि I like how I'm doing the interview back now.
बहुत सारी फिल्में बहुत अच्छी बॉलीवुड में बनी है. Love Yappa was a good film. A lot of films are really good.
Okay. So you watch, but good and bad, I feel you learn lots. In fact, from as an actor, you know, even if you watch a film that others say is not, watch it, you know what not to do. You know what you're not supposed to do. I mean, you watch good acting or whatever, and you think, wow, I want to do this, and then you can watch something else and say,
Yeah.
this don't do. I learn from all. I think there's always something to learn from every single thing.
You've got a guitar? No.
My guitar's in my car actually.
So
You want me to
ask
get the
somebody
guitar?
to get the guitar. She'll sing.
And keep this part, please don't edit this out. I learned
Why
the guitar
would?
now in the last 3 months, okay? Because my instrument is a piano and I love the piano, but I can't carry it. Are you going to hit me with this?
No.
You look
I
like
know
those
the-
भूत
I'll
निकालने
guitar.
के लिए वो ये करते हैं ना वो
झाड़ा देते हैं तो
हाँ.
बाबा. No, I'll cheer you up while you're
अच्छा,
singing.
okay.
Come on, I'm the
Take like
cheerleader.
2 minutes to come. It's in the car or something. But I keep it in the car because car में I'm not able to read books or the phone. It's making me very giddy, motion sickness से. So I kept like one instrument in the car. And ukulele I was learning, and piano तो हर जगह उठा के लेके नहीं जा सकते. So I thought guitar would be nice, and so I'm just learning about
Till then, you can tell us where have you got these chappals from?
I ordered it online.
These two?
Yeah, you usually get both feet. You don't buy one foot
I had to
online. Usually हाँ 2 पैर साथ में मिलते हैं.
Online, you purchase online?
I love shopping online. I've become so spoiled. I do like next 3 months ka shopping everything online.
I
So
don't
I
do.
go online and I'm like this. Because when I used to go to shops also, मेरा shopping कैसे था? I enter a shop. I hate shopping. I hate it. It's such a task. So
Going in the market and purchasing it. You're calling it a task.
I hate shopping for clothes. It just is exhausting. I
Yeah.
feel like I'm wasting my time, and I'm just irritated. And then I don't like myself because I'm an angry person. But I enter the
How
shop
many
and then
cupboards do you have in your like house for you only?
I have a lot because there's so much stuff. I don't want it. But as actors, it comes with a job and we need it, and it's fine. We'll be fine because to do what you want, to get what you want, you can't.
But nowadays,
always
so
only-
bhada ka kapda is also there, na? So bhada ka kapda is easy peasy.
Bhada ka kapda is easy, but the other thing is then na, sometimes you have to.
हाँ.
No, I'll tell you, the thing with bhada ka kapda is best.
Yeah.
But you have to then post and all, and rightfully so. If you're wearing somebody's clothes for free, you should post and all. But this Kerala story spoiled me because during the promotions, every day they were like, yahan pe band, and there were no promotions for it. But we had some interviews. So I thought in that bhada ka kapda ka stress and how to put photos in bhada ka kapda like that, smiling. When I'm saying I'm doing a movie जहाँ पे उसको lipstick पहनना मना है, you know, उसका हाथ कट रहा है, she's in Syria, उसको pregnant किया है. So I was like, no, that's just wrong. I can't be wearing nice clothes. So what I did is I wore, Mama and me have kurtas. This is also like my own, this is not bhada. So I wore my own clothes and went for those. Then I felt so free, yeah, because वो post वोस्ट नहीं करना पड़ता है ना, वो स्ट्रेस है ही नहीं. तो आप इंटरव्यू करो, घर पे निकालो, वॉशिंग मशीन में डालो, खत्म हो गया. So that spoiled me a little bit.
More difficult task with bhada ka kapda. I tell you, I went to IFA. My all
भाड़ा का कपड़ा. Yeah, but for award.
everything bhada ka kapda. भाई पहली बात तो they were supposed to deliver that bhada ka kapda to Mumbai, but somehow I was like late and all that.
They
अगले
sent
दिन
it
मुझे
directly.
फ्लाइट उन्होंने जयपुर में डायरेक्टली होटल पे भेजा. मैंने डाले तीनों भाड़े के कपड़े, शूट की मस्त फिल्म बनाई, व्यूज आए. अब बोलते नाउ प्लीज सेंड अस बैक दोस भाड़ा का कपड़ा. You also have to send back some of the clothes.
No, some people tell me keep. I'm like, I don't want
हाँ,
to keep. You
same.
take it. My mother is shouting at me because the cupboard in the house is all anyway a mess. Rada has happened. You take it.
Yeah.
I don't want to keep. But you have to
Sending
send
them.
it back.
फिर मुझे लगा कि वापस कैसे भेजते, because I have always taken the clothes and
You
never
have to
returned.
dry clean and then return.
Yeah, that I did.
हाँ.
I'm like, अभी how do I book, ये parcels and all? Then I asked my friend, he did that for me.
Okay.
So it's too difficult with भाड़ा का कपड़ा.
There's all this, but and rightfully so. If you're wearing someone's clothes, you should tell people you are. But then I got a little lazy, and then I started enjoying. And then audience say people were like, "Oh, she looks nice." So then I was like, if the audience doesn't care, then why I'm wearing bhada ka kapda? Anyway, if I wear like this, also you all are not having a problem. You're not like she looks so horrible.
No,
you're
not
like
at
it's
all.
fine. She
Look at
wore
the
it.
very less makeup that you've kept.
So then-
You're so grounded down to earth. चप्पल में हमारी heroine.
Grounded, I told you how to be. You have to watch the latest releases, okay? And then you have to see. And then you have to watch, and then you have to say, oh my god, you'd be grounded. That is how to be grounded. I'm very, I have to just
ठीक
think
है.
about it. And, okay?
गाँव की चाची. You want me to play चम्मच and all that?
What? Do whatever you want to do. Anyone wants to do. It's not a clappy song though, but anyway. Sing with me, whoever knows it, okay? This, तुझे मैं प्यार करूँ. हाँ.
I don't know this.
You know the words? Awesome.
I don't know
Oh
the
no.
song.
Okay. दिलों की बात दिलों की बात नहीं जानते हैं ये सब जुबां वाले वफा को जुर्म समझते हैं ये सब जहां वाले अगर ये जुर्म है तो ये जुर्म बार बार करूं कि जब तलक मैं जीऊं तेरा इंतजार करूं तुझे मैं प्यार करूं और इतना प्यार करूं तेरी खुशी ना हो शामिल तो फिर खुशी क्या है तेरे बगैर जो गुजरे वो जिंदगी क्या है कहीं ओके बस फॉर टुडे नाउ कम टू माय कॉन्सर्ट
Very nice. You were not bad.
I kept it soft because I know I'm mic'd from here. So
Yeah.
when this records, you all are going to hear like "Dilon ki baat." It's going to sound like that.
That's-
I know.
that's true.
because these mics, no, these ones are very powerful. So if you sing, it's going
But
to
she was
be
very deep, you know, in this song. It felt like,
like the
you were
song.
imagining somebody.
always. I only imagine someone and sing. I'm just going to keep this one
Sure.
second.
नया लिया ना अभी मैं इसलिए गिटार फुल चार्ज.
Yeah, नहीं ना, I keep very nicely all my instruments, flute and everything is ये वो packet में है.
So Ada, you know, it has been really fun talking to you, and always I do that. जब भी कोई भी नया project आता है, I just check. I don't know, but you're not fond of other things. You always like public वाला thing more. And I've been trying other things also.
You
with
want to do house tour, no? I don't want to do house tour
No, it's
because
fine,
I
no.
feel like public wala thing I like because I think it's impromptu. Also, when I watch any actors' interviews, I enjoy when they are talking to people on a impromptu thing more. जबकि you know कुछ interviews है you know कि ये actress ने plan करके वो सवाल जवाब वो practice करके आई है and वो you know acting कर रही है that वो natural हो रहा है. मैं enjoy नहीं करती हूँ. I really enjoy watching when you're impromptu because if you're watching an interview of an actor, आपको देखना है कि वो real life में कैसा है ना. Movies में scripted तो आप देख ही रहे हो.
So,
कोई और मेरे डायलॉग्स लिख रहा है और मैं कैसे करती हूँ वो आप देख रहे हो ना.
but
रियल
you have not done the public shows with anyone else. I guess mostly it's with me.
Yeah, I've done. We did a college thing. That was
College
nice.
वाला
That was
वो
fun.
है ना? Why me?
Why not you?
Sir, come on, give me 3 reasons. चलो.
अच्छा, 3 reasons to praise you. Your lovely, lustrous, sexy hair. Your charming, eloquent etiquette. And your disarming smile. और क्या चाहिए? और तारीफ चाहिए? मैं
It has nothing to do with the talent that I have. बाकी सब बता दिया.
वो तो सबको पता ही है. वो तो सबको पता है.
इतने अंग्रेजी के वर्ड मारे हैं. शशि थरूर is right at the gate. After
Who's at the
this.
gate?
Shashi Tharoor is at the
He's
gate.
at the gate.
After your words of English that you used.
He was not very happy with Kerala story, so I'd be worried if he's at the gate.
He was
no, after
not?
that he was. I'm not sure actually. He first wasn't. After that he changed his mind. I'm not sure.
Any idol you have in Bollywood by any chance?
Any?
Idol you have in Bollywood? You see or you like watching or something?
No, I like watching all these guys' movies. Not one specific
Khushi
person
Kapoor.
actually. I've not watched it yet, but I will watch. And I'm sure I want to see movies of people who are getting movies to do, yeah. They are eventually your idols, right? Because you're going to watch movies of them, so make them your idols if they learn. There's always something to learn from everyone, I think. There's no.
What kind of shadi you want? Last question I'm taking.
What kind of shadi I want? A private, non-existent one.
कैसी शादी चाहते हैं? Private.
You want a public one? ठीक है, public शादी करो. मैं नहीं आ
Public
रही
में
हूँ.
इंटरव्यू करना है. Public में शादी. What is this behavior?
ठीक है, you guys are invited. इतना private ठीक है. You guys, whoever is here today is invited to my शादी. आ जाओ शादी पे, मेरे शादी पे आ जाओ.
And then she'll fly to
जो
Italy and get
पहनना-
married there only.
No, I'll get married in this country only. I'm not traveling in jet lag and all mad or what? I'll do here only. बॉम्बे में ही. मैक्सिमम मैं मीरा रोड तक जा सकती हूँ. मीरा रोड मैं उतना शूट के लिए मैं वहाँ तक जाती हूँ. मड आइलैंड मीरा रोड सबसे दूर होता है. उससे दूर शूट नहीं होता है. तो मीरा रोड तक आई एम विलिंग टू. और किधर? हाँ, हल्दी उधर कांदिवली में करेंगे. हाँ, संगीत किधर और मड आइलैंड में धईसर बोरीवली कौन है?
Reception
हाँ,
in
चूनाभट्टी.
Andheri.
हाँ, रिसेप्शन चूनाभट्टी रिसेप्शन चूनाभट्टी डन.
Where is चूना भट्टी?
What do you mean? Why do people do this? क्यों वो लोग ऐसे बोलते चूनाभट्टी?
I don't know where is चूना भट्टी.
So yeah, you should be like, oh, Chunapati. I think Chunapati is really cool. Look at the name, like it's Chunapati. Why should it be like Chunapati and like Italy? No, why it should be like Italy and like Chunapati? Like I think
Even
Chunapati is.
Dombivli is also very.
I think Dombivli is like the Dombivli.
I tell you, I have really called Kerala for a very long time.
You call it Kerala?
I still do that. Sometimes I'm at
ऐसे
Kerala.
भी लोग हैं. ऐसे भी लोग हैं. देखो. ऐसे
didn't
लोग
know.
हैं. Kerala.
And what is it?
Sion.
Sion or what? I call
Sion,
it
is it Sion? You call it Sion?
Yeah.
You're like that LADLE, you'll say ladle, no?
Yeah.
Ladle. It's written behind rickshaws.
Sion, I'm at Sion. Really, I've done that. Oh my god.
You're at Sion. Where are you from?
Chandigarh.
चंडीगढ़ में ऐसे सिखाते हैं सियोन और
वी आर वेरी इजी ना, जलंधर, फतेह साहिब,
हाँ, तो-
लुधियाना, पटियाला, अम्बाड़ा, हरियाणा, सब वेरी सॉर्टेड. मलाड,
I
अंधेरी,
think
गोरेगांव.
Shunapati is my reception area. Everybody book your tickets. हल्दी कहाँ? बोरीवली में? Malad East. Malad East, हल्दी. Mud Island, done. Done. उसके बाद बीच
So
पे
the reason you are
जाओ.
invited because she will hire your places free of cost in barter and collaboration.
No barter and collab. Wedding में we pay everyone money. हाँ. We pay money. I want to feel rich. Yeah, on my own wedding, I don't want to do collaboration.
मनसंगा
चुनापट्टी में क्या है?
मनसंगा छत्तीस का जो हॉल है.
हाँ, डन, उधर भी करेंगे.
शेट्टी भैया,
हाँ.
सुनील शेट्टी, शिल्पा शेट्टी,
शेट्टीज वहाँ पे क्या
महा
मिलेगा?
शेट्टी.
ये डोसा इडली होगा ना?
So no.
हाँ, दूल्हा नहीं है अभी तक.
He is at that
वो
चांद की
easy है.
बगल में, no, ग्रह पर.
मैं इतनी अच्छी हूँ, आपको लगता है दूल्हा नहीं मिलेगा? क्यों नहीं मिलेगा? मिल जाएगा. वो तो सेकेंडरी
अगर you should have asked सुनीता विलियम्स, वो गई थी तो वो ढूंढ के ले आती ऊपर से.
हाँ, अभी वो वापस आई है. लेकिन शी वाज देयर फॉर सो लॉन्ग.
Yeah.
कैसे किया? माय गॉड, कैसे किया यार. एंड हम लोग अपने लाइफ में थोड़ी चीजें होते हैं, हम लोग क्रिप करते हैं. यू इमेजिन लिविंग ओवर देयर. यू हैव सीन हाउ शी, इट्स सो, how are people doing this? Wow, just wow. Yeah, but yeah, no, we'll find someone from Earth, I feel.
अर्थ.
शादी के वेन्यू सब सेट है, और क्या चाहिए? सब सेट है. I'm glad I came today and we have sorted out all the शादी का arrangements. What is? बिल्कुल. अभी हाँ, food arrangements क्या चाहिए सबको? Pure vegetarian.
Without
हाँ.
carbon.
Without कांदा and लहसुन. Pure vegetarian. No अंडा and all also. हाँ, please.
I won't come then. Ada, you.
Why? You're coming to my wedding to eat?
Of course.
My bride, I'm saying the groom is going to be very hot. You're not coming to look at the groom.
What is this?
Yeah, I mean, and the bride is going to be very stunning. I'll dress up a little bit on the wedding.
Little bit.
That to bhada
Little
ka
bit.
kapda. With
Little bit.
bhada.
I'll wear on this Mang Tika and come. Like this. This looks so nice. I can get a. I think he'll marry me. You should get a guy who marries you when you look however you look. He shouldn't only marry me if I'm wearing a designer lehenga. If he loves me when I'm wearing this also, he's the right one. And फिर मैं उससे शादी कर लूँगी.
ठीक है. What all projects you have now? Because we've been waiting and you know me whenever you do a project.
Yeah, you're very nice. Rita Sanyal देखा सबने.
If you've not
You've
seen.
not seen. You should endorse it the way you told me. That was really sweet.
I tell you, Rita has almost 8 characters.
Yes.
8 characters hai, and somebody is bhaji wali, somebody is bar girl.
I am the somebody. Huh?
Yeah,
Means
she is
मैं-
the only one. So she has played 8 different characters in just one series. So every episode has a different shade of ada.
Yeah.
So that's to you
It's
know.
fun, you should watch.
आजकल तो लोग एक फिल्म में एक ही एक्टिंग नहीं कर पाते हुए एक में 8 कर जाती हैं.
See,
That is what-
wow, I'm lucky.
Ada
That's a
Sharma.
very nice line. I like it. Can I use it? That's a nice line, yeah. But watch it अगर नहीं देखी है. It's a fun fantasy, action, drama, crime, all in one show. So that's there, and
What else is coming in?
there's lots of stuff coming. I'm doing a biopic. I'm also trying to do another. You'll find out.
You can tell the genre, no? Like if the person is an
Biopic
actor,
का
yeah.
genre कैसे हो सकता है?
The field of the personality.
Then you'll figure out who. Popular person. No, don't guess. Then you'll guess. हाँ. Popular this thing. I'm trying to do horror. I'm trying to do stuff जो मैंने किया नहीं है पहले. So yeah, there's that. There's a lot of stuff, but I want to come out with it with a trailer, like how we said, yeah, Kerala story or Sunflower trailer is releasing in 10 days, like that. I don't want to say now. पता चला किसी ने चोरी कर लिया फिर मेरा part. I don't want to say, है ना? So let's shoot it because as an actor, I feel कि जब तक आपने फिल्म पूरी खत्म नहीं की और रिलीज पे नहीं हो, don't trust. I've been replaced from movies, yeah, after shooting for like 3 days and all also.
जैसे कि you can tell now, अभी तो हो गया.
No, there was a South thing actually I had started off
बॉलीवुड
with,
में कोई फिल्म जहाँ से आप रिप्लेस की गई हूँ?
हाँ, but not after shooting. I had signed a contract and all. I had done costume trials also.
Which film?
I can't tell. I really don't want to. I don't want to tell.
Is it a bad film or it has like?
No, now you guys will say, thank God, very good you didn't do that and you started with 1920. No, but it's just in bad taste. I feel when you talk about something that's not yours and somebody else has done it, it's very disrespectful to who did it, because it's not like that person said, "I don't want her doing."
Sarcastic.
But I think it's just this thing. But no, it's a horrible feeling. I hope.
No, I'm gonna call her and ask later.
I'll not tell.
Call, but you can, no.
No, I won't.
think that-
It's just in bad taste. I feel because the person who's done it now, also for you to get very happy with, you should know that now if I tell you what it is, you'll be like, good you didn't do. The girl's role was not good, but that time it's a big actor and you think it's a big production, a big actor, a big director. Like you feel like, oh
Was
my
it a
god.
Dharma film?
No, but it was a very
Banner.
big banner and a
Yes,
big
Raj, it
actor
was?
and all. No, you think I'll tell you like this one you will keep guessing and I'll say yes, I'm an actor, you know. I can put on and you won't know what I'm talking
I know
about.
that.
You can directly to my eyes ask me, was it that movie? And I'll be like, it wasn't, but it could be that.
Yeah.
So no, I have been replaced after signing stuff also. But then sometimes you feel कि ये नहीं हुआ तो कुछ और मिल गया जो उससे like now 1920 you talk about, right? But that time it feels like क्यों नहीं मिला ये जो मिलना था.
That's how it is. With that note, it was lovely talking to Ada Sharma.
So fun with you guys. Thank you.
She was so wonderful throughout the time. And
Thank you.
thanks again for doing this.
Thank you. It's always fun with you. Yeah.
I'm super glad.
Always. You know that.
I know that. And she's like, very chill pill. On a one call or message, she'll be like, "Theek hai, I'm doing this. I'll not do this."
Yeah, I'm
Very
very
clear
honest.
cut,
You
yeah.
asked house ka thing also. House ka thing I don't want to do. I know you guys want to see where I stay and everything. And and banta hai like that. But I feel like media wo leke, not you, but people will take that and make a circus out of it and be like, Ada Sharma ne khulasa kiya apna bedroom.
I forgot. Actually,
It's
I
just,
forgot the thing that you live in Sushant's house. वो तो मेरे
हाँ.
दिमाग में थी नहीं. I wanted to do house to ऐसी.
हाँ.
Oh yeah, now I got the
Oh.
reason. So वो तो मेरे दिमाग
Okay.
में था ही नहीं. But with that note, thank you.
We
so
can go
much.
to other people's houses and do their house.
She did.
I gave him that choice.
Yeah.
I said ऐसे ही जाएंगे, किसी के भी घर पे बेल बजाएंगे.
I'm बोलेंगे we are doing
Hi,
house tour.
I'm Ada Sharma. I want to do house tour of your house and trouble them. है ना? I think that would be a more interesting thing.
I'm like, no, my channel will throw me out of my job.
You'll get another job then. I'll come for that.
That's what you want. 4 different channels, 4 different public shows. That
No,
you
I'm
do.
kidding. I'm kidding. But no, house ka people will make a joke out of it and be like, and I think the whole circus around it is just like wrong. So nobody knows. I know people know it. I've been there now a year and a half, and nobody knows what my bedroom looks like. Nobody knows what the mandir area I have put on Instagram because I thought people want to see. You see, this is the mandir area. But other than that, I want to keep it.
No, now I know आप किस पे कपड़े सुखाते हो मैंने पीछे पिक्चर में देख रहा है. So she has put that. ये
कपड़े
पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी लग रही है.
हाँ, कपड़े
ये
सुखा.
selfie, she
हाँ,
has
it
such
was
caps.
not a selfie. She had clicked on my phone. And I
हाँ.
liked that picture. I looked very pretty in that picture and I wanted to put. But पीछे कपड़े सूख रहे थे. Now what to do? I want to share the picture.
हाँ.
So I shared it. There are 2 people who have come in matching clothes.
Oh, very nice.
Okay.
But you message Ada because we all are waiting
Yes.
to see you more and more. And thanks
Yes,
for
please
doing
hope I
campus
get
speech.
stuff to do in movies. Otherwise, then I'll have to be reborn as some famous person's child to get stuff in movies. So I hope in this Janam I can finish off all my desires. And
I'm not naming the person I was supposed. I was the name was.
No, I mean there was a time where you did movies and became famous. Now you have to be famous to do movies. So, but no, thank you. Some people are fighting. Not for us, na?
Not at all.
नहीं करो, loudly करो, हम लोग सुन रहे हैं.
It was fan listening who are fighting.
पर मुझे सुनना भी है. करो क्यों रोके हैं उनको यार? तो सीखेंगे हम लोग एक्टिंग में. नेक्स्ट टाइम मुझे किसी को चिल्लाना है ना, मैं नेचुरल करूँगी एकदम. कौन गाली दे रहे थे? अच्छी बात है सुनने में. नहीं गाली देना बुरी बात है, नॉट लाइक दैट. गाली नहीं देनी चाहिए बट सीखना एक्टिंग के लिए सोचो लाइव मिल रहा है सीखने. अभी आपने रोक दिया उनको.
Very nice. With that note, we are
Thank you.
supposed
Yes,
to
thank
end
you,
this
guys.
on a fight that we have
I
had.
have to catch a flight.
Yeah, you have to catch it. Thank you so much for the lovely
Thank
audience that
you.
you have been.